The people's champion, the people's choice, Renita Adams has once again been shunned by the Police Services Commission as Major General Antony Anderson has been appointed as the new police commissioner.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Major General Antony Anderson, he is Jamaica's National Security Advisor.
National Security Advisor Major General Antony Anderson has been appointed as the new police commissioner. The appointment becomes effective on March the 19th. Anderson, the former Chief of Defence Staff of the Jamaica Defence Force, will assume the position left vacant following the resignation of George Quayle. Deputy Commissioner Clifford Blake has been acting as commissioner since Quayle left the post at the end of January. Although Anderson was not the public's favourite to succeed Quayle, he had been tipped by security insiders as one of the most likely candidates for the role.
A mindset in the people that I have commanded that they can make a difference and that they don't have to accept things as they are.
Among those who backed him was retired Assistant Commissioner of Police Keith Trinity Gardner, who touted Anderson as being well-trained, very rounded and experienced in certain matters. Gardner also held the view that Anderson is a brilliant person, a man of integrity, and I don't suppose there would be any objection from any of the ABC countries, namely America, Britain and Canada.
Wherever I am at that time, I try to do what I'm doing the best I can.
Anderson served as Chief of Defence Staff for 6 of his 32 years in the JDF before being appointed Jamaica's first National Security Advisor in December 2016. The first person to serve in this capacity in Jamaica, Anderson is the principal advisor to the Prime Minister and the Cabinet on internal and external security, intelligence and defence matters. He is responsible for coordinating security activities across Jamaica and liaison with overseas security and intelligence entities. According to the PSC, Major General Anderson has developed a keen understanding of the critical nature of the JCF in securing Jamaica.
If they apply their initiative, their imagination, then they can do great things.
The Police Services Commission also noted that Anderson is well known to members of the JCF, having worked with the commissioning ranks on joint missions while he served in the Jamaica Defence Force. He is intimately aware of the challenges of the JCF with a clear vision of how it can be transformed to enhance public trust and confidence. General Anderson has demonstrated the ability to lead the JCF at an important point of transformation, strengthening relationship with other bodies that make up the island security architecture, said the PSC, adding that he will be responsible for enhancing the public security services in the country, improving public order, reducing corruption, and improving management and accountability within the force.
You know, it's Teach Them, the #1 intellectual blogging panel on the YouTube channel.
So there it is, peeps, and I know right off the bat many Jamaicans will be disappointed and some persons may even be upset as they are of the view and opinion that one Renita Adams deserves an opportunity to help reduce criminality in the country. But the appointment has been made and as we say, the rest is now history. I knew that Antony Anderson would have been a major player in the race along with Clifford Blake and Steve McGregor, and I also knew that we would never live to see Renita Adams be appointed as Commissioner of Police. You understand? And we can discuss that at another time. But the situation is, irrespective of who has been elected or selected or named as Commissioner of Police, it is incumbent on every single Jamaican to give them our full support in the fight to take back this country. So irrespective of whether or not your choice was the person selected or not, all Jamaicans are being affected. Well-thinking, law-abiding Jamaican citizens, that is, are being affected by the crime monster that currently plagues the country. Whether we like it, yes or no, he is now the Commissioner of Police and he needs our support. He needs the assistance of every single Jamaican and we must come on board and provide him with said support. The truth of the matter is, peeps, it shouldn't even really matter as to who the Commissioner of Police is, as long as the best person for the job has been selected. And whether or not Mr. Antony Anderson is the best person, time will tell. But what I know is that he will need the support of Jamaica, he will need the support of the government, he will need the support of the JCF, he will need resources to properly carry out his mandate, and we need to get on board. We need to help him to wrestle back the country from the grips of criminals. So some persons will cry foul, some persons will say it was fixed, some persons will say whatever. Irrespective of what we will say, as I said before, he's now the commissioner and he needs our support. And if we are serious about getting rid of crime or stabilizing the crime situation in the country and slowly decreasing the levels, then we must give him our full support. So we'll watch and see. And I know some persons will say, but hold up, teach, this man has been National Security Advisor to the Prime Minister for the past 2 years and the crime situation in the country has deteriorated in no uncertain manner over the past 2 years. So what then does he have to offer? What then does he bring to the table? What has he been doing advising the Prime Minister? Why is the crime rate continued unabated? Well, we'll see, and as I said, time will tell. All the best, Mr. Anderson. We need for supporting peeps.
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them. Hey yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.